welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapte and I'm so happy to see you. And today I want to talk about a beginner skincare kit under 500 rupees. So if you're a beginner and you want to start skincare routine, you want something affordable, this is the thing for you. And I kept everything under 500 rupees because I don't want you to spend too much initially, because skincare can be tricky. There are things that are gonna suit you, there are things that are not gonna suit you. So I don't want you to get overwhelmed in the beginning. It's just the beginning. And the rabbit hole goes deeper. So yeah, let's start. I do not want you to try too many new things in the beginning. Stick to basic. You're gonna protect your skin, you're gonna repair your skin. That's all. For that you need few basic things. First, a cleanser. So there are like first cleansers, second cleansers, but if you're a beginner, I want you to use just one cleanser in the beginning because double cleansing can be too much. Your skin may not like it initially. So yeah, first start with just one cleanser and massage that on your skin for 60 seconds to remove all the dirt, sunscreen. But if you use like good amount of makeup, then you need to double cleanse. For that you can try oil cleanser or micellar water. I'm gonna leave the recommendations in the description box. And for foam based cleanser, I have few options, very gentle, affordable, good ones, and this may work for all skin types. So first I'm gonna recommend you Bioderma Sensibio micellar cleanser or Joy pH 5.5 cleanser. Then Kaya has this very gentle cleanser which is very affordable, and Deconstruct also has come up with licorice and niacinamide cleanser which can be really good. So you can try either of this. Also Simple has good cleansers, and this brand Requil, their oil control cleanser, that is quite nice. So for cleansers, just pick something basic that works effectively at cleansing your skin without stripping your skin, that supports your skin barrier, that is gentle to your skin, and that doesn't dry out your skin. And if you have like really dry skin, you can try Cleanse Me or Cleanse Sure. These are cream based cleansers, but these don't make much foam. So if you use like thick sunscreen and makeup, you might not find this to be that efficient if you're using this without any first cleanser. So that's the thing. And if you have very much oily and acne prone skin, you can use cleansers with salicylic acid. Minimalist has this salicylic acid and LHA cleanser which can be good for oily or acne prone skin. But don't buy 2 or 3 cleansers at once, you don't need that. Pick just one, see how it works for you. If it suits your skin, stick to that. If it doesn't suit your skin, then you can try something else. Cleansing part is done. Now toner. So why toners? To balance the pH of our skin and also hydrate our skin, because these days toners are made with very hydrating, moisturizing ingredients. Even there are toners that have niacinamide, skin soothing ingredients, so toners can help you there. Gone are those days where toners used to be like very stripping, filled with like harsh ingredients. These days brands are formulating very gentle hydrating toners. And if I had to give you a few affordable options, I'm gonna say to use a Bioderma Sensibio tonic. That is very hydrating. It has skin soothing ingredients as well. Also Dr. Said's niacinamide toner. It has 5% niacinamide. So if you have uneven skin tone, large pores, that serum may help you out. Also you can check out this video on toners, but those are like most of the things over there are like over 500 rupees. But yeah, there you have some really good options. But if you want to like stay under 500 rupees, then these 2 toners should work, and this may suit all skin types. And then we are coming to moisturizer, which is very important. So if you have like really oily skin, you don't like thick moisturizers or cream based things for your skin, that's fine. You can try this gel based products. I have tried this Benton Propolis Aloe Gel, which is very soothing. The small tube you're gonna get for I think 400 or 300, something like that. So yeah, that can be a good option. Sebamed has this gel. I think with discount it's gonna come under 500. You may find that to be helpful. Also, you can try the aloe gel, and you can follow up with squalene, which is a very lightweight oil to prevent the water loss and if you want more nourishment. And then if you like thick moisturizers, I have many options for you, but if I have to pick under 500, you might find this video to be helpful. And yeah, there are a few moisturizers that are no nonsense, kind of work for all skin types, like Dermois moisturizer, very affordable. It's very like lightweight. It can suit you during the summertime. Also, Cipla Excella moisturizer is quite nice. It contains niacinamide. Niacinamide is actually very good for skin barrier. So yeah, it's kind of multitasking ingredient. It can also like control the sebum production. Also, I really like Minimalist B5 moisturizer. It has panthenol to support your skin barrier, and Exerina lotion. It has good amount of ceramides. Then it has shea butter, but it is quite lightweight. And if you want more options, I'm gonna link these videos down below. And then sunscreen. So these days I have been trying out many new sunscreens. I have found like really good options, but for that you need to wait for a few more days. The videos are gonna be out very soon, but for now, if you have to recommend something under 500, I'd recommend you Minimalist multivitamin sunscreen. It has SPF 50, and then Earth Rhythm hybrid sunscreen. So Earth Rhythm, they give like 50% off now and then. Then they have this buy one get one offer. With these offers, the sunscreen come under I think 400 rupees, something like that. But again, I'm gonna give you more options in my upcoming videos, and I hope that you find that to be helpful. But sunscreen is very important. If you're a beginner, please try to use sunscreen whenever you step out in the sun, and you have to follow the 2 fingers rules. I will be leaving more instructions in the description box. So yeah, but if you find 2 fingers like of sunscreens to be like overwhelming for your skin initially, try 1 finger rule first. Okay, then when your skin gets comfortable, then try 2 fingers, because I understand initially you might feel that's too much, your skin may not like that, so that's fine. At least start this habit of applying sunscreen. So start with 1 finger rule or half finger rule. If your skin doesn't like sunscreen that much, slowly make it 1 finger rule, then 2 fingers of sunscreen. Many people are not like feeling comfortable with 2 fingers of sunscreen, but this much amount you need to protect your skin. Still, if your skin cannot take it, then start with 1 finger rule, then slowly like take it to like 2 fingers if that works for you. But if your skin can tolerate 2 fingers of sunscreen, then that's really nice. And yeah, that's all you need, nothing else for now. Like follow this routine at least for 6 months and see if your skin likes it or not. Then you can try other things like chemical exfoliants depending on your age and skin concerns. You don't need to go ahead with like too many actives if you are beginner, because it's very easy to overwhelm our skin with too many things initially, and now we have like too many options out there. So you gotta be very careful about what you put in your skin, and the goal is to this skincare things should help you out. This thing should not make your skin condition worse. As simple as that. So I highly recommend, if you're a beginner, start with these basic things. Don't experiment with too many actives. As your skin gets comfortable with this basic routine, then you can try other things if you think your skin needs that. But stick to this routine for 6 months. Then you try something else, or 3 months at least. 3 months. Don't do this for just 1 month then change everything. Change the things only if your skin's not liking that. If you're getting rashes or allergic reaction, only then you change your moisturizer or cleanser. If you think that are not working properly for your skin, only then change the products. If you think these things are helping your skin, then no reason to change. And yeah, 3 to 6 months. Stick to this routine. So yeah, this is your beginner skincare kit. I hope this works for you, and good luck. And if you have like serious skin concerns like stubborn acne, then please visit a good dermatologist. And yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye. Hi.
fudgy.